Okay, so welcome back to the second in the series of my presentations on studying abroad with specific reference to the UK. In my introduction, I, I stated the documents you would require in studying in the UK. I mentioned your WASI, and again, I made reference to a master's degree program. You need your WASI or SSCA certificates, you need your transcripts, you need your proficiency letter, and a host of others. I mentioned it in my previous presentation. Now you have those documents. We are now bound to do the application itself. What do we require this time? All you need is a proper internet connection because it is going to involve an upload of the documents I mentioned earlier. Of course, your particulars are going to be taken, your name, age, sex, and of course, you need your passport. It's a very important document that is needed if you want to go through the application process. Now, you have done your submission, you have uploaded all your documents. What's next? When you have uploaded your documents, the university is going to acknowledge the receipt of those documents in your application in general. So when the school has received it, your application is going to go through what we call a pre-evaluation or pre-assessment stage. So what happens at that stage? What happens is that there's a team, admission team that is going to sit on your application. In fact, those applications are made on case-by-case basis. And so they are going to consider your entire documents, your supporting documents, to see whether you meet the basic requirements. If you do meet the basic requirements, they will then process it for proper and a holistic evaluation. That normally is dependent. One frequently asked question is, when I apply into a UK university, how long does it take for me to get a response? There's no definite response, to this question, because when you get a response from the university, it's dependent upon the magnitude of workload the admission team has. For example, if you are talking about a September intake, there's a tendency that you would wait a bit longer, because that is the time where you have most students applying into these universities. If you are applying for a January or a May intake, you should expect that you might have a quicker response. So if other things being equal, on the whole, irrespective of the magnitude of the workload, they work as seriously as they could to get you a response, whether you've been accepted or not, within a space of 2 months. So I should think that maximum 2 months, you should get a response. Now we have had our response. The university has accepted us. What is the next line of action? This is what we are going to look at in our next presentation, in our next video. Thank you.